What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a little bonus video for y'all today. We got a classic Mach 1 Mustang. That means get your drinks ready. It's time to take a drink. Let me show you this absolute thing of beauty right here. This is a running and driving and sorted out clean title Mustang Mach 1. Yes, it's amazing what you find in the desert. Cars that you would never think you would find, you find here. Now, the lost type is normal wear. Somebody just sold it at the copart. It's a 1973. It's got the louvers and stuff here in the back that actually lift up, by the way. I don't know why they lift up, but they do. And then you can snap them back into place. It's kind of cool, right? I mean, the exterior of this thing is absolutely beautiful. And it almost looks like it's original, right? It doesn't even, I mean, you can see spots where they've done like touch-up, but the paint looks like it's original. Like, see, you can tell like from the hard cracks and flakes and stuff from this. You can see where they tried to fix like window leaks and stuff. Like, oh man. This thing right here though is a gem. An absolute gem. I mean, be honest, when is the last time you've seen a Mach 1 like this that's not, you know, a $200,000 or $100 and something thousand restore project, right? This thing is actually pretty much put together. Look at the rims and tires. Really good tread. Now, supposedly, this thing is listed as a run and drive. Let me see if I squeeze my big ass in here. Woo! Now, she's got keys, and she's got power. What? Hold on. She fires right up. When do you know an old school carbureted car to just fire up like that, man? Never. Hell no. Let me see what she sounds like. She sounds good, man. While you bullshitting. Wow. Look at this interior, man. She's clean. Got the, I don't know what this is. I guess that was the horn. Tighten up. Y'all need to tighten up, man. We're going to put that down here. Yeah, tighten up. All right. The interior of this thing is butter, though. Look at these seats. They're butter. No wear or nothing. All right, let me get in here real quick. Had to put the seat back. She's got brakes. She goes into reverse. She goes into drive. Ooh, she shifts strong, too. She doesn't like going in the park, though. I ain't gonna lie, that shifter's a little but it's old. Old JVC. It looks like they put an updated unit in behind. That's cool. Radio, all the lights and stuff in here work. Power steering's good. Let's take a look under the hood. Now I'm interested. Now I'm like, let me look under the hood and see what this thing is talking about. And I'm guessing the hood release is under the up front, like a lot of old schools, right? Or is it really just those caps that we see right there? Because if that's the case, yeah. Hold on, I gotta sit y'all down for a minute. There she goes, guys. Look at that. We got a big super coil, whatever that means. A 351 motor by Ford. It says regular fuel, regular unleaded, right? Man, this thing is, look, Ford Motorsports. It says 3 point what? 3 what? 3.5 Cleveland. Okay. But this thing is definitely, like, look at that fuel filter. It's clean. It looks like it's fairly new. This thing has had some nice, somebody has put some work and some time into this car, man. Wow. Radiator coolant up front. Like, the battery is what, 9 and 19, so somebody recently replaced the battery. This is cool, man. Here's the other hood pin joint right here, and it looks like they bent it. Look at this. I hate when people screw up nice things. We're gonna, because the other one's, oh, the other one's in there too, like they put it in wrong. See, like right here. So that should go down in like so and then turn, and that should help lock it down. I'll try to put this thing back together, because that sucks. I hate when people do stuff foul. Let me see if I can put this up, and we'll do that real quick. La 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 la. See, a lot of people, everybody at Copart ain't nice like this. I can tell you that right now. Other people will be pissed that I'm even taking the time to do this the right way, you know? They'll be like, man, I could have got it for less money if it didn't have its hood pins on the right way. But being a dick, man. You know, you would want people to treat your stuff like this too when it came time to buy a car, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, treat others how you would want to be treated. And that should go just like this. And we should be able to put this down. Wapa! And then that should lock into place. Boom! Hood pin locked. We'll lock the other one down. Boom, there we go. Now she's put together like she's supposed to be. Anywho's, let me know what you guys think about this one here in the comments. Just a quick bonus video for you guys. I was out here doing the BMW only video today, and I was like, I have to look at this car. I just have to look at it. Anywho's, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Guys, if you're enjoying these extra bonus videos, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and stay tuned. More than likely, I have another video for you guys coming later today. I usually drop these in the morning or early afternoon. If I drop it in early afternoon, then you know you got another video coming in the evening. But with that said, thank y'all very much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.
I'm gonna